Most people hit 5,000 X followers and get stuck because the next stage of growth is about systems, not hustle. You've hit 5,000 followers, that means you've already proven your message works. But getting to 10,000, that's not about posting more. It's about building leverage. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process to grow from 5,000 to 10,000 followers on X. The same process I use to scale my content without doubling my workload. Let's dive in. So step number one is to increase your posting to 3 times per day. From 0 to 1,000, we're posting once per day. From 1 to 5, we're posting twice. And from 5 to 10, we're posting 3 times per day. And I have an entire video on the 4 content pillars here that you can watch, but I'll touch on them briefly here. Value add content is number one. You want to build authority in your niche. The downside here is you will not get a lot of views, but the view quality will be high. Pillar number 2 is personality content. You want to share opinions and stories, connect as a human. You will get a medium amount of views on this, but the view quality will also be high, so that's good. Pillar number 3 is engagement content. You want to ask questions. A subset of this, engagement posts, are also called shit posts. So basically posting things just so they get engagement from people. You'll get a lot of views on this, but the view quality will be low. Pillar number 4 are client success stories. You want to show social proof content and convince people that you actually know what you're doing and you've gotten client results in the past. You'll get medium views on this, but the view quality will be high. So it's very important to rotate between these 4 content pillars when creating content. Step number 2, we want to reduce commenting to only 10 times per day. Because we're increasing post volume to 3, we want to reduce commenting from 30 times per day to 10 times per day. And again, thoughtful comments, you want to aim for quality, not quantity, and you need to add value in every single comment. Saying, great post is not going to do it. No one's going to follow you because you complimented somebody's post. Step number 3, we need to start repurposing content. So you have a lot of content that you've already published, getting from 0 to 5,000 followers. Now we can start repurposing some of that content that outperformed in the past. So every month, I want you to find posts from about 4 months ago. You can either repost that same exact post, or you can repurpose it by expanding it, shortening it, or posting it through a different lens. You need to think of X as a moving parade. Someone that saw your content 4 months ago, that same audience is not going to be the same audience that reads it 4 months later. So it's okay to repurpose posts. It saves time and it's a great way to grow. Step number 4, this is what I did. I built a content team in this stage. I realized how time consuming this ended up being for me. And I actually hired a part-time copywriter to assist me with my own content creation. Ideation, drafting, editing, scheduling, and analyzing. Those are all tasks I delegated to my part-time copywriter, and it freed up so much time for me to actually run my business, but also continue growing on X. So here's a quick tip here. Conduct content recordings with your copywriter for source content. So sit down with your copywriter 1 time per month for 1 hour. Have them ask you questions that pull content out of you. So you're, instead of sitting in front of your laptop thinking about what should I post today, you're just speaking it to them live. And then they take that transcript and turn it into a bunch of social media posts and schedule it for you. So this saves so much time. It only takes an hour per month. Again, you might have to do some approvals before they post, but it's a great system and the one that I use to grow my personal X account. So what's next? That system I just shared with you that I created for myself, we actually turned into a business. We currently help dozens of founders grow on social media, grow their business through their personal brand. So that's the roadmap to grow from 5,000 to 10,000 followers on X. Post structure, repurpose what works, and build a team to buy back your time. Because once you hit 5,000, growth becomes a systems game. And if you set it up right, your content keeps working even when you're not. And if you want help building that system, we can do it for you. This system that I just shared with you is the system I built when building my personal brand, and I still use it today. We actually launched it as a business for clients, and we help dozens of founders build their business through their personal brand. So if you want help building that system, we can do it for you. Click the free content audit link in the description to learn how we help founders grow their business through their personal brand without spending hours a day writing content.